Gotta move slower. The road's gotta be close. We can make it. Come on.
Don't worry. This is gonna hit very badly for you.
I tried to sneak through the door, man. Can't make it. Can't make it. The shit's stuck. Out of my way, son! Door's stuck!
Get over here and take what's coming to you. That's my sweetmeat. If you're looking for sympathy, it's in the dictionary between shit and syphilis.
Yeah, I know. If I stare at him first, watch this, watch this, watch this epic gameplay.
This constant running around is getting a little tiresome now.
Watch this. I know where he's at to get extra points. I know where he's at. I know where he's at.
Oh my.
Ah! How dare you.
That's it. Die for me. Yeah! Take it! Take it!
Somebody ain't doing so well. I am sorry it had to.
Thank you. I might be able to break those locks.
Look at this! Somebody's ready to fight!
I need to hide.
I'm gonna cut every single one of you! This'll be simple! Sit!
I can suck it.
Sit!
I can suck it.
I cannot be seen here.